A very good day to you. My name is Tan Gek Siang from Multimedia University. I would like to present my paper which entitled Key Determinants of Slow Fashion Batik Apparel Purchase Intention Among Malaysian Consumers, a conceptual paper. Ladies and gentlemen, consumers are increasingly taking sustainability into account while making purchase decisions. They are starting to question the current practice of fast fashion industry and have felt discouraged to purchase disposable clothing which has negative social environmental impacts. The United Nations claim that fashion industry as the second most polluting industry in the world, consuming close to 100 billion cubic meters of water yearly, generating 8% of global greenhouse gas emissions, and creating textile waste that accounts for 5% of landfill space worldwide. Today, textile wastage is a global phenomenon and a worldwide concern, including in Malaysia. From this perspective, the emergence of slow fashion, a socially conscious movement that seeks to balance off the increasing demand of fast fashion, should be promoted. Slow fashion values diversity, prioritizes small-scale local production with socio-environmentally friendly practices, and builds trust between the producers and consumers. Being recognized as one of the most iconic art forms of national culture and heritage, batik is a local craft which is well known globally. However, there is a contradiction between the traditional and the modern practices of batik production. Originally, batik is naturally produced using eco-friendly ingredients which are regarded as slow production. Nevertheless, the batik applies the principle of fast production processes that pursue large-scale and highly efficient production processes that optimize the use of cheaper resources, which often cause socio-environmental impacts. So, the current batik production processes are being questioned. Does batik production practice slow fashion principle? Should we promote batik products if the production processes pursue fast fashion concepts? And how consumers can differentiate whether the batik apparel is produced using eco-friendly processes? Today, consumers begin to realize that their decision in purchasing slow fashion apparel may help to create positive impacts to the environment. Thus, sustainable clothing should be promoted. Unfortunately, their interest in buying slow fashion is still relatively low, particularly eco-friendly batik apparel. As such, this study is proposed to examine the key determinants of slow fashion batik apparel purchase intention. This study adopts mixed methods research that combines both qualitative and quantitative approaches. A qualitative approach is first applied where the focus group interview was conducted to gather experts' opinion who are representatives from the government agency, non-governmental organizations, small-medium enterprises that involve in making and selling batik products, academicians, and researchers. The quantitative research is beneficial in guiding the researchers to decide on the variables to be measured. The next phase of research involves quantitative survey that uses self-administered questionnaires designed during the earlier phase. This study extended the theory of planned behavior. New variables, namely environmental knowledge and eco-labeling, are added to the original constructs, namely attitude, subjective norms, and perceived behavioral control, to study purchase intention of slow fashion batik apparel. Data collection will be held at the complex Craft Kuala Lumpur using 400 respondents. The collected data will be analyzed using Smart PLS. The outcomes of the study are twofold: social environmental protection and cultural heritage preservation through sustainable consumption behavior of eco-friendly batik apparel. This study offers important implications to the batik stakeholders in revitalizing the local batik industry. It supports the 1010 MySTIE as cultural heritage is enlisted as one of the socio-economic drivers. Also, batik industry is a form of heritage and experience-based tourism, which is listed as one of the key economic growth activities in the Shared Prosperity Vision 2030. Last but not least, handcrafted batik is a sustainable fashion where equal consideration is given to ecology, economy, society, and culture. Such movement supports the United Nations SDG 12 on responsible consumption and production by encouraging batik manufacturers and consumers to respect people, the environment, and the fashion products. That's all for my presentation. Thank you for listening.